My name is Poonam Sharma. This year I am going to teach grammar English 1 to class 3rd. So let us start our chapter 5th, the noun. So in this chapter we learn about noun. So our question is, what is noun or define nouns? So answer is words which are used for people like Kavita, places like Kolkata, animals like dog, or things like pen are called nouns. So again I'm going to start. Words which are used for people, places, animals, or things are called nouns. For example, Kavita, dog, Kolkata, and pen, etc. Then है kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun? There are 3 kinds of noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun. Common noun. Common noun are the name of people, animal, places or things of the same kind. For example, book, city, animal, boy, country, etc. Those are used for commonly. Common people, animal, places or things, same kind. So we are using this. These are the common nouns. Next is proper noun. Proper noun are the particular name given to certain common noun. Means particular name given to the certain common nouns. They always begin with capital letters. For example, Amit, Rani. These are the name of person and it is started with the capital letter. New Delhi and Agra. These are the name of cities. It's also started with capital letters. Ganga, Yamuna. These are the name of rivers. It's also started with the capital letters. Sunday, Monday. These are the name of days. It's also started with capital letters. India and France. These are the name of countries and it's also started with capital letters. So third is collective nouns. Collective nouns are words for group of people, animal or things. Those are in a group of people, animal or things are called collective noun. For example, army. Army means a group of soldiers. Then bunch, a group of keys. Then galaxy. Galaxy means a group of stars. Pride, it means a group of lions. So these are our noun. Again started. Firstly, I have read out this define of nouns. What is noun? This is the definition of noun and examples. Then there are 3 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Common nouns, those are used for books, city, animals, boys, country, etc. And proper noun are using for the particular name of a person, place, cities, rivers, days, countries, etc. Then third is collective noun. These are also used for the group of people, animal or things like army, bunch, galaxy or pride. Hope you understood about noun and learn it properly. So today I am going to explain this exercise A, page number 20. Pick out the nouns in the following sentence and write them on the lines. But before starting this exercise, I would like to remind you what is noun and kinds of noun in short. In the first video, I have uploaded what is noun. So see, what is noun or define noun? Words which are used for people, places, animals or things are called noun. These are the examples of noun. So there are 3 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective nouns. The words which are used for people, animals, places or things of the same kind, these are called common nouns. The words which are used for particular names given to certain common nouns, they always begin with capital letters. Like the name of persons, name of cities, name of rivers, name of days, name of countries. Collective nouns are the words for group of people, animals, or things. For example, army, bunch, galaxy, and pride. These are the noun and kinds of nouns explanations. So let us start this exercise A. So see, Mumbai is the name of a city. So it is a proper noun. So Mumbai we will write here, and city is the common noun. So we will write city here. Number 2, Ashoka is the name of a person. It is a proper noun. So Ashoka we will write here, and king is the common noun. So king we will write here. Number 3, India is an ancient country. India is the name of a country. It's a proper noun. So we will write India here, and Asian country. So country is name of a common noun. So we will write country here. Cricket is the name of a game. So it is a proper noun. Then game is a common noun. So we will write cricket here, game here. Sunita Williams is the name of a person. So it is a proper noun. So we will write Sunita Williams here. And astronaut is a common noun. Write astronauts here. Then come on this exercise B. So see these pictures and give the name, common noun and proper noun accordingly. So see, one is already done. This is picture is showing the mountain is a common noun. So Mount Everest we had given the name, it's a proper noun. So in these pictures, river is the common noun and proper noun is the Ganga. So in this third picture, see, common noun is a city. This picture shows the scene of a city. So common noun is a city. Proper noun we had given the name of one of the city, that I had given the name Delhi. So see in this picture, this is picture shown the picture of hill stations. So hill station is the common noun. So I will give a proper noun name of any city, like Shimla is the hill station. So in this picture you have to see this train. Train is the common noun and proper noun is the name of the train, like Delhi Express. In this picture you have to see this is the monuments, and monument is the common noun, but this monument is the India Gate. So India Gate is the proper noun. So come on this exercise C. Correct collective nouns under the following pictures. So see, this is the group of animals. Group of animal is called herd. Group of flower is called bouquet. In bouquet, T is silent. Group of sheep is called fleet. Then group of bird is called flock. Group of soldiers is called army. Group of player is called team. So in exercise D, fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns given in the bracket. A dash means a pride of lions is on the prowl. So pride is here. She sings in the school choir, CHOIR, choir. Number 3, you can see a school of dolphin in this part of sea. Number 4, he pushed his way through the crowd, CROWD, crowd. Crowd is here. The Milky Way is a large galaxy of stars. This is the galaxy. So hope you understood, and please you try to solve it on your book. Thanks, and please safe at home. Thank you very much.